So just lost $400 on Domino's pizza trade. I don't know what happened. It just went down like crazy, and my stop loss was not good enough. I had kept it very close, and now I've lost $400, $435. So it's a pretty bad situation. Learned my lesson? No, I don't think I've learned any lesson. Maybe I should have kept it under this one. But yeah, I kept it around here, but I should have kept it below the previous one. So you should keep it below the lowest point here. So that would be here. So that would be the stop loss. And yeah, so lost the money, and I'll look forward to some other trade.